Hello friends, okay, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Obi Nekpa from Ultimate Digitals, and in today's video we are going to look at how you can make money flipping domains. How to make money buy and sell domain. So in one of my videos I shared with you how you can start if you are a beginner. So in today's video I'll be walking through the steps on how you can profit from domain. Now we're going to be looking at precisely expired domains, because that is where the real deal is. So we are going to be looking at that. So one more thing to proceed. If today is the first time I'm coming to my channel, I welcome you specially, and I have a special gift for you. If you click in the comment section my book, I'll be giving you a special gift um, delivered to your email. So once you click, um, you will get a notification from your for your email address and all that, and you will get it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe button, turn on the notification as well, turn on the notification bell, so that you always get updates like this whenever I drop updates like this, because I drop updates every week. On my channel I teach how to make money, how to uh, profit from the affiliate market, how to make passive income, uh, whatever you are looking for on my channel, you will definitely get it, because I bring everything to bear without hiding anything or skipping anyone. So with that being said, let's jump in today's video. I told you that we are looking at how to make money online using domain flipping, which is now that with domain. So we are going to be looking at expired domains. So let's get through. Let's look at what we mean by expired domains. So we type expired domains. Let's hit search. So one of the commonest one we use, or the most popular one we use, is expireddomains.net. So I will hit on it, so it will open. So I'm going to sign. If you don't have an account, you create an account by clicking sign up. But if you have an account already, then you log in. So for me, I will be logging in. My username is my password. So you can see it's very easy to log in and start. So like I said, we have so many other channels. You can buy from GoDaddy, you can buy from Namecheap, you can buy from Dynadot, Dan, and the rest of it. But in today's video, I want to focus on expired domains. You can watch my other videos on how you can buy from other uh, marketplace. Maybe you want to register a new name, fresh name, the niches and the rest of it. You can watch my other videos. But for this one here, we are going to be focusing on the expired ones. The reason why we are looking at the expired ones are the ones that have some traffic and have some content. So that means the owners did not either they have forgotten about their domain, and they didn't know that it has expired. So that's what we'll be looking at. So you get it after it has expired, and you can register it, and you now make sell, and you make your money. So now let's head down to see. We have all kinds of button here. So we head straight to deleted domains. So I select deleted domains. So here you can see we have so many deleted domains. Now what are the criteria you'll be looking at when it comes to domain? Excuse me. When it comes to domain business, we have the most important ones which we call the king, is .com, followed by .org, .net, .biz, and the rest of it. So you can see all these ones that are showing here are in .co.uk. So we are not going to be looking at these ones. If you are if your choice is within these ones, you can buy and you can also sell depending on your choice. Most of the times, if you go through the filter and you see the quality ones you want to use, why not? But what I'm talking about here is we are looking at the business aspect of it, because we want to make sales. We want to flip it to make your money within a short period of time, maybe 2 days, 2 weeks, sometimes a month. You can uh, you can get a sale, and you make your money, because we're talking about how you can make money flipping domain. You can make $1,000 from each sale or more, depending on the quality of the domain. So I'll be looking at .com now. How do I filter out these ones that are not in .com? You can go to column. You see column manager here. Select column manager. In my previous video, I've showed you how you can also filter in this important aspect, which is very, very important. So when you come to this this part, you look at general, majestic general. Now open it. You see I selected this three part, 1, 2, 3. It's very important. Always select it so that you can it will make you to filter out the non important names, and you are not left with important ones. So you can select 1, 2, 3, and you leave it, and you click save. Once you finish selecting, you click what save. So we are back to now. Let's head into the deleted domains. Now I want to filter out this .co.uk and the rest of it. I want to have only .com. You click on show filter. Then if you don't want the ones without, if you don't want your names to you don't want the one that has numbers, you can select no numbers. Then if you don't want hyphens, non-consecutive hyphens, or you want only numbers, let's say you're looking for a domain name that has 123.com. All those kind of names are premium domains, even though they have numbers. 123.com or 2.com or 1.com. Those ones are almost impossible for you to see, because they are premium domains. The people that registered it are making good use of it, and they cannot allow you to drop. So here you can make your selection that you don't want numbers. You can select it. Then let's look at only available domains on this side. Only available domains. Now let's look at some niches. Let's say I'm looking at looking for a software name, or related name that I want to purchase, and I want the one that have traffic and all that. So I will just you select, type in here software, type in here. So that means you want the name to have software related to it. If you want it to start with a niche, even if it's weight loss, anything, you can enter it here. So if it's a software, you want it to contain software, you just type it software here, then scroll down. Here you can add the length of the words. That means the word should be between 10 characters or more, or should it be not maximum 15. When it comes to names, sometimes we do say names that are too long, they are not a good option. So always look for shorter names, like between 5 to 10, 12 or 13 or thereabout. So it's always good that you have shorter names, not that you have a name that is as long as 20 something characters. Sometimes it's difficult to get sales, so that is very, very important. So um, so having filled this one, now I'm going to filter out that uh, .com I told you about. So here you can also add, this is where you can add the word count minimum and the maximum. You enter it here, but I'm not going to be looking at that for now. Now I'm going to look at the additional parts. So here we add .com. So I want only .com. So I select this part here. Now I'm going to click apply filter. Click apply filter. So let it bring out only .com. So you see that. So I hope you paid attention and you see what I wanted. So I'm searching for a name that are related, that has software inside it. So you can see these are the names that have software inside them, and the number I have here is 262 domains which are available, and they are deleted in the last 7 days. So if you check here, you see that they are, you will see these are the locations, the year it was created, trust flow ratio, and the rest of it. Now if I want to get a good or better one, what are other criteria? Excuse me. So let's look at this one. Let me say this one that says reusesoftware.com. Yeah. One other important thing that you're looking at is the year it was created. If it is if the domain name has was created a long time, or was registered a long time, less not later than 5 years, is a good one. Let me put it that way, it's a good one. So this one is still new. The year of registration is still new, so it's not quite long, but you can go ahead and make your selection from here. So having seen this one, now let's assume I want to purchase this one. Where do I purchase this one? So that is where you now head down to the domain dealers. Now I enter the name. EU software.com. I hit search. So you can see the domain is available. That means you can go ahead and what, and make a purchase. You can also use GoDaddy, so you don't have to bother yourself, because all the links are in the description. I will drop all the links in the description, so you can go to get GoDaddy as well. GoDaddy is another marketplace for you to make use of, buy or sell domain. So you can also buy from GoDaddy. So we have many of them, so I'll be dropping the links in the description so that you can make your selection. The prices are different, but they're almost similar, between $5 to $10 you get a domain name. Now after you have gotten a name, if you have gone ahead to buy this domain at $8.98 per year, that means this is the amount for the name itself. It's not yet hosted, but you can actually place it for sale. Now if you are registered, if you are signed up with any of these uh, domain marketplace, you can actually go ahead to do what, to list it for sale. So how do you list it for sale? Now listing it for sale is very simple and easy. Now let's look at one of the this I use. I use this one because it's very nice. Their their page is very simple. So I'm going to enter my name. Okay, so you can see here on my dashboard I have one name here which I have listed. I have other names, other marketplace which I have different domain names that I've listed for sale. So you can see the domains I have for sale is one here. Now here you can, this is where you put your own name. Let's assume this one that we have here, reuse software. If you have registered it, you will now come down to this place to do what, to actually list it for sale. So you can only select, you can always select let's say domains. So if you have not listed before, you can click add more domains, and you add your domain name, and it will be listed for sale, and you add the amount you want to sell it. Whatever you choose is the amount it will show. So that is how far we can go on this segment, and I believe this video has actually shown you how you can get started. There is so much money to make from domain flipping. I make money from it, and likewise other domainers also make money, because it's very easy. Sometimes you can get 2 or 3 sales in a month, sometimes you may not get. So depending on the quality of the domain and the type you buy. So if there's anything you do not understand, if I have not made much impact with this video, then let me know in the comment section. But if I have made impact, give me a thumbs up, like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, also hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, so that you always get quality details like this whenever I drop update like this. Like I told you at the beginning that I drop updates every week. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And lastly, before we head out from this video, I told you that if you drop where is my gift in the comment section, I'll be sending you one of my bonus hack delivered to your email on how you can profit from online business. Some of my articles that I publish, which I sell online, I'll be giving one of them for free. So that is just a way of saying thank you for watching my video and supporting my channel as well. So till then, see you guys in my next video.